US and Chinese officials depart from a government building in Stockholm after finishing their latest round of trade talks. Beijing says a 90-day pause on US tariffs could be extended.
根据中美双方的共识，双方将继续推动美方已暂停的对等关税24%部分，以及中方反制措施，继续如期展期。
While the US side says the decision needs approval from the top.
He'll have the final decision. I think our Chinese counterparts have jumped the gun a little and said that we do have an extension. I can say that the meetings were very far-reaching, robust, and highly satisfactory.
This latest round of talks reportedly focus on topics like rare earth supply and China's purchase of sanctioned Russian and Iranian oil. Both sides touted progress, though no major breakthroughs were announced and details remain murky. But US President Donald Trump is confident a meeting with Chinese leader Xi Jinping is now more likely by the end of the year.
He wants to meet, and I look forward to the meeting too, but I would say before the end of the year. I mean, just to go full circle.
It comes as the US and the European Union scramble to finalize a major trade deal ahead of Trump's Friday deadline. The agreement sets a baseline 15% tariff on most EU imports. Trump has hailed it as the biggest of them all, outstripping deals reached with other major trading partners like Japan and Vietnam. But many countries, including Taiwan, are still negotiating with the US. Bloomberg reports that Taipei is being asked to boost its U.S. investment to avoid a potential 32% tariff. Still, the U.S. says there's not much to worry about for those countries that have not struck a deal yet.
I would think that it's not the end of the world if these snapback tariffs are on for anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, as long as the countries are moving forward and trying to negotiate in good faith.
The new trade deals have raised confidence in some corners and prompted International Monetary Fund to raise its 2025 global growth forecast to 3%. But the IMF warns that looming tariffs, stalled trade talks, and a return to protectionist policies could drag down growth and drive up inflation in the months ahead. Joseph Wu and I Chi for TaiwanPlus.